How to use voice chat in order of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now, we're in this settings interface. Here on the left, you'll be able to see this sound icon. Simply tap on sound. Now, you must slowly scroll down. Scroll down to the bottom part. Here on the general settings, here you'll be able to see voice chat. Simply tap on it to enable it. Here there are different volume options too, so you can even adjust the slider accordingly. And here you can see the background volume ratio, and here you can even see the microphone input. So this will enable you to communicate with other player and teammates easily. So make sure that this is turned on in order to play team and communicate with friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.